Hello, my name is Mohamad, and today I'm gonna go to Mink Mountain Trail. I'm going to this trail with my wife and a few of my friends. It's about half an hour drive south of Thunderbay, beautiful Thunderbay, this time of the year. It's May 2024 and we hope we have a good day today. I heard it has a few lookouts and yeah, that's it. It is called a moderate trail. We are not professional hikers, we are just teachers. And without further ado, let's go. This is the beginning of the trail, and the plan is going from this way all the way to this lookout, and then come back here to that lookout, which is probably up on those mountains. At the start of the trail, you can swing by the picnic area, which has a killer view, perfect for snapping pics, and maybe even a swim in the summer. Then we kept going along the shoreline. The views were absolutely stunning. Next up, there was a bit of a climb to reach the first lookout. One cool thing about this trail was those poles with signs and numbers that tell you exactly where you are and which path to take. It was super handy because sometimes you had choices to make. I reckon all trails should have this setup. Just snap a pic of the trail map and then you're good to go. No getting lost when you hit the lookout. It makes you feel like that you own the whole Sturgeon Bay. After the first lookout, the path ran along the cliff's edge, giving you a fantastic view of the whole bay to your left. It was absolutely beautiful. Then it was back down to wrap up the hike. Easy peasy. Alright, this is almost the end of the trail. It was a moderate trail and we liked it. Had two beautiful lookouts, and I would come here again probably in August or September when the leaves are in different colors, so you could go up there and see all the leaves. Would strongly recommend it, and it was pretty good. Alright, see you guys.